Chur Whanau. Hello, how are we? Long time no see. Chur Whanau. Hope he's all doing well. Hope he's had a good weekend. Some people are still in their weekend. Yeah, but hope he's a good. Oh god, here we go. Dizzy M Lock. Thank you guys. Oh, and Valhoon, cheer my brother. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to. Level 2.5, yeah, for Auckland, eh? So everyone's allowed to travel out now. And Kinja Force as well. I see you like the Kinja dance crew, brother. It's Monday where I am. Yeah, it's Monday for me too. How are you? Oh, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Got a bit busy over the weekend, but yeah, I'm good, thanks. Yeah, I know who the Kinjas are, but I'm more of a Jabberwockies fan myself. Hey, chill more, bro, Thunder. Bro, Thunder, every time I look at your photo, bro, of that doge, it makes me happy. Oh no. Jackie the Picky. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to. But I'm Chur Whanau, hope you're well. So what we're on today, I still need to go and sort out the timber for our commissions. But I'm on these tamaki pos again, or amos, so since they've asked for them back, I'm going to clean them up a little bit. And their voices, I still got to go and get my own. Cheers JT, yeah, bit of a nice day today, brother, bit of a nice day. But yeah, so it's a bit higher, so my back should be all good. I was ripping out carpet all weekend. Amazing beard, oh man, I don't groom it, bro, I don't know who to go to here in Rotorua. I want to have a beard as good as Thunder's. QB Shredder, thank you very much, brother, you didn't have to. It's all good just to watch. Stay hydrated and stay awesome, bro. Love you. Imaska, thank you, brother. You didn't have to, brother. You didn't have to sub. And 4 Chaos as well. Yeah, Dre, so I just wanted to work out in the sun today. Oh, come on, bro. Jakey, what are you doing, Jake the Mus? Jesus, brother, you didn't have to do that at all. Thank you, brother. If you got a gifted sub from the bro, say thank you. It is the best. So this is all we're up to today. So I got to put an implant here. Have I done one before? Nope. Just wing it. We'll probably oop, man, I forgot that shit right now. So what we're gonna do is before these go, we'll cut out the eyes for them. They can do them since yeah, not even on their payroll. I mean, they got, I think they're closing down definitely with what's going on, which is unfortunate, but it's just the reality that everyone's facing right now. Welshie, hey, cheer, brother. You didn't have to do that. And Kukua, hey, cheer, brother Colby. Thank you guys for subbing, but you didn't have to. Hey, Silver. Hey, what's up? Time to start the sub trade? No. So yeah, this is the section where it was rotten. Yeah, I don't know why they're recalling all their gears. I mean, I would be better off with me. But oh well. I am back, Sir Gibraltar. Hey, brother. Something you're doing? I can do that. Give me them toes, boy! To hug. Oh, Gearaholic. Hey, brother. How you been, my bro? Thank you guys for something you didn't have to, brothers. And Silly Red Savage. Sure, brothers. How was your guys' weekend? Yeah, I'm still a bit gutted about Chadwick, because Black Panther has been a favourite of mine for a long time. Him and Thor. Yo, how are you, brother? Just saw your beautiful hair flicking YouTube video. Thanks, oh no. Thank you, Ollie. Tig Productions. Jesus. Just come and chill and listen to the air traffic go by. Hey, I see some Space Lion emotes there, kid. Yeah, if you ask for subs, you're probably going to get timed out or banned. Was it fun filming with Red Bull? Yeah, bro, they were cool as. So it was Red Bull and 4 and 5 Films or Studio. They were cool as well. Enjoyed my time with them. How's your day today? Ah, it's all good. Good to be home. So I'm just opening up this section here. Oh. These automatic messages are wonderful. Can thank the mods, brother. And Clamp Plow and Fat Head. Oh, thank you guys. You don't have to do that, eh? No life for Iro today, brother. Not you, brother. I just feel like jamming some game music. The Asian buff guy. And Timberwolf, thank you guys. Oh no. Topaz. Chur Topaz. Bloody no ears. No, but thank you, brother. You didn't have to, bro, like at all. Hey, mahalo. Sure, brother. How you been, bro? Other than being busy, I bet. Okay, yeah. Uppish Donkey, thanks for the bits, man. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch for free. And Skink Hunt over. Thank you. And Connor CC. Appreciate it, guys. Just remember. Oh, this ain't even locked in. That's why. Remember, Rona's still here. Just It's all good just to look after yourselves. I'm feeling you here, can you let me know? So, brother, these are some carvings that I did a while ago. I'm just jumping back on them now because my previous employers finally want them back. I've been trying to get in contact with them since the starting of our first lockdown, and yeah, they said, "Oh, finish them because we're closing up for a while." I was like, "Oh, well then why do you want them if these are closing up?" But they want their carvings and their voices back, so I got to get my own, which is all good. Can understand why. Broxh, you're the man. Nah, I'm an average dude, brother. It's 4 AM for us, but I finally managed to catch up on the stream. Hey, MBO legit. Sorry, brother. I was supposed to be on earlier, but got sidetracked with a few things. Are you selling those? Nah, but these are for the people that hired me to be their carver. I'm just finishing it off for them because now they want them because they weren't communicating with me. And I had no wood to do an implant, so I finally got some, so it's all good. You deserve them. Tilo, no, you didn't have to do that, brother. What does it mean when you're an egg sack? Is it Kyle? Just don't be a troll, brother. That's what it is. That's just like a term we use here in New Zealand. Don't be an egg. Otherwise, you probably get timed out or banned. Pretty much, brother. Nice. Hold on, guys. Do you keep your tool sharp? Yeah, brother, so I usually use a grinding stone, brother. I would purchase a grinding wheel, but maybe once I have my own shed, because I actually carve in a carport, and I don't want to leave that out in the open. Someone's little grubby hands might come and get it at night. How do you have so much zen? I don't know. Play Pandaren. How does it feel about 1.2k people watching you? Oh, it's I don't know, just carry on carving for you guys. Just do what you guys came here to see. Don't let yous down. Use a Chur Whanau. Right down to that bot account, another Twitch viewer. It's a carve port. Oh no, Fallen X Dragon gifting 2 subs, and JMRO22 and J Reno. Thank you guys. put on donations. I don't know, like wait 23 days after starting tomorrow. You'll get your wish. Kia ora, bro, from Wisconsin. Hey, Kate is going Kate. Kia ora, brother. I see you with the tier 2, brother. Thank you. And Stretty Place, thanks for subbing. You didn't have to, though. And kia ora, Ryan. Kia ora, Ryan. How are you, brother? Now I just got asked, have I done an implant before? Hell no. Do I know what I'm doing? Hell no, but it doesn't seem that hard. Hey, brother, mahalo. Now you bloody know. Thank you, brother. Shout out to mahalo. That's the Suicide Squad. Cheer, brother. You didn't have to though, my bro. Kia ora, I hope you're well. Hey, odd job. I'm good, brother. Thank you for the bits as well. Could have said it without them, just an option. But thank you, brother. So who's been playing Fortnite? Matador 9000, cheers for the sub, brother. Didn't have to. There we go. Just seeing if it's flush. Nope. So we want this part sitting right on here. Always break the rules for you, my brother. Well, in that case, bro, can you go and steal me a... No. I need you to go and steal me a code for Azulian Tiger Mount. Now, I don't know if they do codes, but I'll use you to find out. How do we send commissions? What, we? You would be booked up for months. Yeah, I'm just taking 5 at a time. So they're already gone. So I just have to talk to them. So the one thing I want to do, it was actually suggested by Mrs. Broxh, that I do like a portfolio, like from a piece of paper, and get it printed on like one of those bougie big papers. Oh no. Brother Finn, what are you doing? Hey, Chur Fanta. Thanks for that, Finn. You didn't have to do that, brother. Oh, jeez. It's a Twitch worker. Hey, Finn. Thanks for that, bro. Now, I'm pretty sure you know, bro. You didn't have to do that. I'm sure I've seen you in S-Farn's chat, bro. Here's the lovely part apart from the sulfur smell. When you live here, bro, you pretty much get used to it, bro. Just smells like air. Trillin and Enfres. Thank you guys, he's didn't have to though. Sethy poo. Cheer, brother. For the sub. Once again, guys, just remember, it's alright. Look after yourselves. Man, I feel like he's gonna just going, shut up when I say that. In the blue pools in South Island, the most no, congratulations, Lark Gaming, DC Lark. How often do you get splinters? Not that much, bro, because got like rhino skin hands. Can you explain what this piece is about? Okay, Might have to do a bit of a up and down with the old camera, eh? We'll just do that for the bro. Just move my chisels. I've indulged in a bit of the LPL last night, IG and LGD. So I'm just going to turn it up, see if my cameraman skills are on. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. So as you can see, brother, here's our entire carving. So what this carving represents, brother, is just the different aspects of our canoes. So you can see the main figure, he's holding a paddle. So obviously that's the main feature of a canoe. If you don't have it, you ain't going anywhere. What the three fingers represent is the walk in life we all take, breakfast, lunch and tea. Birth, life and death, brother, that's what it represents. The design itself is called Mata Kupenga. Now this design tells a story about a few of our ancestors, but most of all it's used by coastal tribes as well. And moving down from the paddle, on either side we have Mata Kupenga, which is this design on the side of either paddle here. Now these represent our fishnets. So just to give it another aspect of our canoes. Yeah. So the only difference between this one and the other one just behind me is the legs. So just changing it up a bit. And there was a bit of rot here, as you can see. So we're just taking that out to put an implant in. Yeah. So what these are, brother, is amo. Now these will be put on like a gateway. Hello. Yeah, that's him. Hope the close-up was all good. Might even do a clean up for some of my tools later. How's that? That alright? Is the view all good, Whanau? Okay, let's go back here because I might have missed someone. Rish Cotter, Mudman, Lord Reaper, Knife Clan, Dynamix. Hey Tori! Thanks for dropping in. Grizz Wolf. And thank you guys for subbing. Benjo. Oh, Benjo. Benjo Moya, what you doing, brother? Come here, boy! This looks amazing, by the way. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's alright. Just working on an implant because this section of the wood here was rotten. There's still a bit here, but it won't affect it. Eddie Chloe, how are you today? Oh, I'm good. I'm always good. Other than having a blocked ear, but I use some of those candle things for your ears. Feel much better. Just marking where some needs to come off, but other than that, we're on our way. How have you been, Tori? What games have you been playing lately? grafting, huh? Can't tell if you're trying to be funny or having a go. Super beast. Okay, let's see if that works, eh? Aslan, I'm not gonna say it like how you spelled it, brother. Cheer, bro. Okay, I think there it is, whanau. So that's the section that's gonna get glued. That you're freeing the sculpture from the wood. I actually have never indulged in any of Michelangelo's work, but that makes sense from an artist's perspective, or anything in particular that has to do with art or sculpting. Oh, bro, Aslan! I just went to get my glue and contact you. Thank you guys, you didn't have to, especially you, bro. Jeez. Mr. Drop of Soap, oh dear. Sure, bro. Tarzan's grip, but it looks like Hercules. Nemean line, sorry. Oh, is this even working? Oh yeah, there we go. Kind of glue you use for implant. Just one that works, brother. That's pretty much it. Cheers, brother. I love what you do. Oh, thanks, brother. That's the main one for me, brother. As long as you love it or like it, anything. That's a dub for me, brother. Looks like frosting. I'm hungry. Oh, I put the cap on. Sorry. I don't know, maybe I just like to be safe. Even if it's Tarzan's grip. Maybe my strike with the mallet is stronger than Tarzan's grip. Hey, those ones. Demot and... oh, Daniel. 3 months. Morning, brother. Morning, Daniel. Cheer, brother. And who's this anonymous person, man? Yeah, thank you, anonymous person, for that. You didn't have to, though. It's all good just to watch for free. You know that. This is mad ass. Hello from Scotland. Hey, brother. New phone? Nah, brother. I've had my Galaxy S7 since release, brother. And I won't get a new phone till it completely dies. People were saying, oh, you should just keep up with the brands. Or what for when it does the exact same thing as any other phone? That's just the way I think about it. Hot winter? Yeah, today anyway, brother. That's for sure. Yeah, I was watching a bit of League last night. I have not watched it in a long time. Some LPL. Unfortunately, FPX isn't going to Worlds. Tab, thank you for the Twitch Prime, brother. You didn't have to, though. That's pretty ratchet, eh? The champs can't defend their title. What are you gluing the wood for? I'm just doing an implant, brother. Have I done one before? Nope. Every time someone else does, I'm going to know it every 3 days just to mess with them. You should record it, brother. Do you watch any LCS? Not really, brother. I don't really follow any of the players in the teams in NA. Sorry if that offends. Don't mean to. Do you like sport? Yeah. Do I play sport that much these days? No. I'm too busy. Okay, let's leave that there. And I will cut out this eye. Let me just get my tools. Oh, this needs a clean up. Hello, Zix from Brazil. Kia ora, brother. Infamous RS, thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. It's all good just to watch for free, brother. With what's going on as well. Let's go. Jeez, this is dry, man.
To protect tomorrow.
Use my pencil.
Our hands, our homes.
Roy Bringus and Cranks.
Let's look after ourselves and each other. The way we
I thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to.
We need to protect what we love.
I bet your house looks awesome with. Oh yeah. Nah, Mr. Leader, I don't keep any of them, but
Is in our hands.
like at all.
Ditto. Trusted by Kiwis for over 80 years.
I love them YouTube ads, eh? Yeah, brother. I've only kept like one. Well, hang on, maybe like two. My first carving I did when I was like 12. Just as a reminder, really. That's pretty much it. Peter Jackson with the camera angles. Gotta take it easy. Oh, we don't want to play that. Oh, we gotta hydrate. You enjoy making them in other people? Sorry, brother. I like the Jordans. So hydrate for the brother. How often do you hit your thumb? Oh. Rare occasions. Hey! Your brother just... The pun lord has entered the arena, ladies and gentlemen. Blame me. Your brother for the sun. Man, I wish I could play some of the Black Panther album, eh? I've been pretty gutted about that all weekend though. Rizzy boy, aloha. Hey, thanks for the 2 months, brother. Oh, tier 3 as well. This dude. Thanks, brother. Bro, just remember, bro. With Rona around, it's all good just to cancel it, brother. Wakanda forever, brother. Ooh, we have arguments on the road. Damn, they stopped. Hang on. N3 Ocorels. Jeez, sorry if I butchered your name, brother. Thank you, brother. Oh no, is that a kid? Yeah, there's been a lot of that lately. Don't fight, just have a koi. Holy Architect support. Hey, much love, brother. Thank you. You didn't have to. Oh. And then I see your gifteds. Holy crap. This guy. Thank you, bro. Bro. I think I might have to put that in the rules there. Just remember. The division rule in Moratho. Thank you guys. You didn't have to though. It's all good just to watch. How's Mr. Oh My been? How you been, Fanta? I seen you were having a chill in the Eisenachs thing too, but me old little mate was still awake. She wouldn't go to sleep. Hey, the Cork voice actor. Nah, brother. So the person you're looking for. Hey, man. If you're looking for the voice actor of Cork, his name is Taika Waititi. It's not me, bro. Just somehow have a impersonation like the bro. Now, it would seem you have a very special and intimate relationship with this voice actor, and it's not me. But I just do it just for fun, eh? Is your hearing short? How much have you insured your mighty thumb for? The squeaky sound gives me shivers. Hold on, brother. I'll attend to that for you guys. Here we go. For the ones that can't deal with the squeaking, just put a bit of water in it. Let it soak in. I've been well. I have the day off, so all good. Oh, nice. So do you always have Mondays off? I'm made of Broxh. I see you've been just for kick streams. Hydrate the wood. Yeah, this is what I was using because it was drier than this timber. It was shocking, man. Oh, there's an enemy around, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready. Here we go. Hydrate your jokes. Much love, brother. Hey, Eva Candido, thank you, brother. Just remember, brother, in these hard times, it's okay. No, in these hard times, brother, put yourself first too. Just remember that, brother. Oh, everyone, really. I know this community doesn't like to listen, and I might have to start carving ears and sending them out. Flying with the chickens in the barn, who did that? Yo, welcome, High Scuff. What day is Father's Day? I see what you did there. It's actually this week too, eh? Father's Day? On Sunday. That lady, man. What day is Father's Day? Oh, I don't know. If Father's Day is on Sunday, what's the answer? Oh, that's a hard one. I'd put myself up for adoption. And I think she would be proud of you as I am of you, New Zealand spirit. Hey, thank you, Recombobulated. Cheers, brother. If you don't know what I'm talking about, search up Father's Day on Sunday on YouTube, I think. That's the thing. Salmonella posty chick. Hold on, brother, I'll just do this. And what makes it worse, the lady's from here. Here we go. Have you come to buy a mask? This song should be a national anthem around the world. Always wear your mask. Hey, the new national anthem for, or global anthem for wearing a mask in public should be this song. Someone asked if it's all good for someone to get a tāmoko kirituhi with no relation to Māori. I mean, there are those die-hard people out there that say no, but for me, if you can tell the story that's embedded within your skin, you're not getting it just for like Instagram or any of that crap. Like, you get it because you know what's been put into your skin, and I'm all for it. Don't get it just for the looks, eh? Then you will be that guy. Daddy Roshi, thank you very much for the sub, brother. I appreciate it. You didn't have to though. Just wanted to say thank you for all your help. I'm doing a VCAL furnishing course, and because of this remote learning situation, I've been able to get the help. But your videos helped me out a lot. Thank you, man. I also need to the app. How can I donate? Just an ordinary bloke. Nah, no need to donate, brother. You just come and watch. That's all you have to do. But awesome to hear, bud. Hope you're enjoying it. That's the main thing, eh? With anything, as long as you enjoy it. And that was changing our view. So you can right on top of it. Hold on. Try and get it as close as possible. Just trying to get those bougie angles, really. There we go. Glorious Couch Potato and Diego RDS. Thank you guys for subbing. Interesting name there, Potato. Where can I get a chat holder 5,000? You make it, brother. Chur from the Naki. Chur shut down. Kia ora, brother. Try and get a nice flat surface so the eye can sit well. I mean, they want to do the eyes and I was like, oh, whatever then. I don't mind. Mind of Wolf. Cheer, brother, for the sub you didn't have to. It's all good just to watch, brother. Died out unfortunately in this in the life fam. Cheer, Barnsey. Sticky stuff. Thanks, mate. Kia ora from Hamilton. Kia ora, brother. Kia ora. I met a viewer in town a few days ago. Someone from Wellington came up. Yeah, it was a good talking to the bro. I don't know if he's here. But if you're watching, brother, thank you for coming up and introducing yourself. Have you been to Gisborne before? Yeah, like ages ago. Long time ago, brother. Okay. Slain by turret. Ooh, sounds like a League of Legends thing. Cheer, brother, for the sub, but he didn't have to, my bro. It's all good just to watch. And the mighty Springboks. Hey! Cheer, the Goat Meister. Cheer, my brother. Thanks for that. And Vane Lovato. Thank you for the bits. Unfortunately, I don't know what you're saying, brother. Sorry, brother. But hope it's something good. Oh, nice, Iffy Miffy. What do you reckon about it? Was it alright? Bixie, thanks for the sub. Didn't have to, though. Okay, let's fix up these edges, and that's the eye. Where do I donate? You just have to wait a minimum of 23 days, brother. Starting tomorrow. 4 months, let's go. Hey, thank you, Stin FC Champ. Oh, sorry if I butchered your name. Can your work be bought? You have to do contacts through me, brother, but my commission list is already full. Sorry, brother. So I take 5 at a time, and over the next few days it's sourcing the wood for these commissions. I think the farthest one will be... You're in England, eh, JT? Is that where you are, brother? If I can remember. But even before we touch the wood, I've got to draw up some concepts and run it through them first. So we're gonna make like a whole like portfolio on top of the commission just to send, just so they can see the journey of their piece being made. Sultan, thanks for the sub, brother. You did a nifty there, my bro. And Bubbles, and Toasted Bread, and Pony Jots Micro, Pony. Thank you guys, you did a nifty. And Anonymous Cheerer. Come on, man, tell us who you are. There's no need to hide. Thank you, but you just remember, look after yourself. Asking for trouble. Oh, Central Illinois. Oh, sorry, brother. Central Illinois. Okay. All good, brother. So I'll work on drawing a few of the masks that we have, brother, and then you can choose. And then I'll once we've chosen, then I'll just box it up. Hey, Chur Digital Wolf. Oh, I was hoping you'd still be on after I was finished. Chur, brother, how was your stream? Can we get a shout out for this? Oh. Bones Malone. Yo, Chur Bones Malone for that, brother. You didn't have to. You don't have to do that. You're crazy. Get that corn out of my face. Nacho. Yo, thank you very much for that, brother. You didn't have to, though. But much appreciated. Can we get a shout out for Digital Wolf, please? Hey, Chur Twitch Mickey. Kia ora, brother. Oh, yeah, I'm good, brother. How's your streams been going? No, me, bro. Still streaming. Just wanted to see what you're doing. Multitasking. Oh, we get it. You can multitask. Cheer, brother. How you been? Are you still jamming Spider-Man, brother? So just gonna build with the eye now. Here we go. Get like a decent angle on it, eh? Just so the eye sits well. That's pretty much all you have to do. And you're away. Farewell, my G. Mean day, same grind. Yeah, hard. Every day. That's the one, my bro. Oh no, now I'm fudged. I will have to do lots of push-ups. Yeah! So is it a follow every push-up, bro? Bro, can we all go through and follow Digital Wolf? Make him do heaps of push-ups? Man or mouse, bro. Man or mouse. Go through and make Digital Wolf do heaps of push-ups, guys. And then clip it. Sidewinder, cheer for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. But much appreciated, brother. By the time we get to Wolf's stream, probably have a mad ass pump from all the press-ups he has to do. I want to sub, but I'm poor. Where can I donate? So yours. Oh, you want to sub because you're poor, but you can donate. How about just watch? How about use your money on yourself? Will you stream Classic? Iverson, since I'm playing it again, brother. Yeah, definitely keen to. You betcha, buddy. Thanks for gifting a sub, brother. Hey, Schnitzel Krim. Look, everyone, it's Bulgaria's golden snitch retriever. I know it's Victor Von Krim, but His name reminds me of it. Spill this eye. Pine is so brittle, man. Oh no, who's this? Infamous. Holy Jesus. Gifted 5 subs, bro, that's way too much. You staying safe during level 2? Nori, yeah. Trying to, but I hear like Auckland's opened up now, so they can travel. Just about, yeah, social distancing still. Don't have a mask, so we don't go out much. So yes, I know everyone's giving people from Auckland a hard time, and that's not really the good way to go about it. But yeah, just being mindful of it all. Okay, let's get this bevel done. Okay, since the bevel's quite thick on this side, all you have to do. Saw the Red Bull vid, your setup was trash before, but now it's just blown up. Oh, I mean, I'd still use it if I have to. I keep it up there as a reminder of where I started from. Thanks for that, Debo. Oh, bro, Quantum Stardust. Calm down, Starfire's uncle. True, brother, for that. You really didn't have to, though, brother. Holy cow. Thank you, Quantum. Bro, that's a lot, bro. Holy hell. I mean, it just goes to show, you don't need a mad setup to do what you love, even if you want to stream it. Nori dog dodged. Oh, come on, bro. Don't say that. Everyone know. This is how I see it when people say that deep down they really want one. Leroy Jenkins. Can't be the original, brother. Can't be the original. Leroy Jenkins. How often do you sharpen your chisels? Like once every 2 weeks. You're welcome. Ah, thanks, brother. Okay. Beard reveal. Oh, people was just seen my beard at the start. Yeah. I'll just think people that say dodge it. Ah, come on now, you know you wanted one. No need to, man. Just come watch for free. Thanks, Infamous. Jeez, brother. I'm stuck in stage 4. How about you guys? Oh, we're like in 2. I'm telling you now, man, this is the year of the introvert. They're thriving right now. Indoors. Okay, that should be enough. They don't say Minnesota nice for nothing. Yeah, I'm just trying to even up everything right around. Oh, get it fairly even anyway. So it looks all good. Yo, Himbe. Yo, thanks for the for the sub, brother. You didn't have to though. Yeah. That was you, eh? Just... I think that's who I heard it from. Okay, just looking over this eye again. Yeah, see, my chisels got caught in the rain and they got killed up. I might just clean this up right quick. Where's my 1200? Damn it, I don't know where my sandpaper is. Hey, it's the Cuzzy Squid in here. Middens, love the hand tools. My father was a wooden boat builder. This takes me back a bit. Wow, boat builder. Damn. Now that's some work right there. Hello, Mittens. Thank you for making me lose my arms. Ah, pleasure, pleasure. Yeah, digital. Kip Knots, thank you very much for the sub. Did you sub that? Sorry, just had a lag moment. How you been, Cuzzy? How's the streaming going? Hold on, guys. Sorry about the squeaky squeaky. Long peaky peaky, long ninty winty. Does the wood rot cause you didn't oil it up? No. This is pine, it was treated a long time ago, so it's all good. I can feel the nature. I'll grab some chips and I really want to look for a 1200 sandpaper. Can a weeb message me, please? Oh, there's a few in here. I'm one, but I wouldn't know much. I legit don't know what I did with my 1200 sandpaper. Feels bad, man. Are you excited for the Demon Slayer? Bro, I've been waiting for Mugen Train for ages. There's a few of us that have been waiting for it. But I guess with coronavirus, say obviously the release was gonna be affected. I'll start O week tomorrow. Ooh, nice flexing. Just enjoy yourself, but not too much, brother. Nah, go hard, brother. Okay. O week. Hey Brady, thanks for tuning in. I'm all good, brother. Yeah, sweet as, bro. Sweet as, my brother. G'day from Ohio. Hello, Showers. Cheer, brother. You excited for Shadowlands? Just found out you're into WoW as well. Yeah, brother. I'm looking forward to it. Will I be playing on launch? Probably not, brother. Because that's the due date of my next child. Yes, I'm a dad. But I might bear hug you back and then you might get a sore back. How excited are you for the possibility of Garrosh making a comeback? Oh, he can stay dead for all I care. Never liked him. What? Broxh doesn't like Garrosh? What? He was like dog, Bronk. Hello, Denim Pirate. Congrats, brother. Hey, thank you, guys. So, yep, could possibly be having a Shadowlands baby if she comes on the right day. Just we will name you. No, we're having trouble coming up with a name, eh? Like traditional Māori name. I might go to my grandfather for advice. Look through our genealogy, see who we can name her after. Is Broxh your favourite? Yeah, Uncle Egony. Yeah, brother. Most OP WoW character in my opinion. No one's done what he has. One other person, but he's not as remembered as Broxh. Oh no! What are you doing, infamous Ares? Okay, bust the wood out, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get these ears carved. Give them out. True, infamous. Don't you DJ Khaled me, mate. Thank you, brother. The cloth of undergarment protection of the underling. Cheer, bro, mean mahi. Cheer, Welly Sky. Cheer, brother. Let's get a bit of a young dip going on here on this tongue. Maybe Tom? Thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. He made me play warrior. Yeah, he's the OPE for someone. Just the normal warrior. They're not highlighted as much as like Pallies and all that. But yeah, man, warrior. Chur Bar Station, kia ora, brother. How are you? Okay, flatten the bottom of the mouth out. Congrats on the little one. Oh. Yo, Denim Pirate, thank you, brother. You didn't have to though, brother. You could have sat there without the bits. But thank you, brother. Jeez. Did you know there's a shrine to Broxh at the Burning Throne from the people who saw his showdown with Sargeras? The Burning Throne. True. Oh, I knew there was a shrine, but had no idea where it was. His necklace and a boot, if I remember. Oh, thank you, Sentinel. Teach your little one our ways. venture to the fort of food storage to find the Isle of the Holy Powder Nourishment and turn it into liquid for the underling. Oh, the imagination of this man knows no bounds. FML at ZP12, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Oh, come on, brother. Oh, jeez. You didn't have to do that, FML. But thank you, brother. Now, I should have said this in the beginning of the stream. I might make that a rule, eh? If you get a gifted sub, whānau, say thank you. Now, if you don't know who gave it to you, there's a... I think you go back to the Twitch page and there's like Prime Loot, notifications and inbox. Go to notifications and see who gave it to you. You can come back and say thank you. It would mean a lot to me if you acknowledge someone who gave you a gifted sub. I'm drawing the humming this tune. Yeah, this is the one and only Zelda I played as a kid. I haven't played any others, like at all. Hey, Chur Elastic Man, how you been, brother? Oh yeah, have you been doing any like physio at all, brother, or are you pretty much good to go? Who's winning, Jazz or Nuggets? Oh, is that on now? Definitely should be a rule. Yeah, I'll add it today after stream. I think I forgot to change my stream title as well. My bad. Oh well, leave it there. I like to share the beauty of your week. Oh, too bad. What does the channel points do? Oh, you get a free carving. That's pretty much it. Been good. I'm waiting in the physio right now. Oh, nice for my appointment. Too bad. Hopefully it goes well. And for you too, Colby. Hope you're getting better too. Okay, let's clean these teeth up. Man, this looks like Nezuko, eh? But it's on top of the mouth. So, oh, okay, I didn't know that quick. Is anyone, no, because I only just started. I haven't been on that long, brother, like streaming wise. There we go. Hot shot. I see you, Rodimus Prime. Thank you very much for that, brother. For the sub, you didn't have to though. My bad if I like go liking your guys' names to things I've seen. Barrington, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. You didn't have to though. I saw you on a Red Bull ad on IG, bro. You're famous. Nah, I'm not famous, brother. Love the streams. Keep it up. Hey, thanks, Panda. And Daniel Tiger. Much love, brothers. Thank you. You didn't have to, though. Was that Fanta? I'll do that now, Fanta. I didn't even know. Oh, jeez. Infamous with the bits. Bro, that's a lot, brother. Why is our music? Thank you, bro. Thank you, brother. Do you feel like moving to level 2 is a good idea? I mean, I'm not in Auckland, brother, so I don't know. I can't really comment on that. Irish. Very creative. Unlatch our daughter's car seat with one hand and said, "How do one-armed mothers do it without missing a beat?" I replied, "Single-handedly." Ooh, fast guy. I knew I forgot to clean these teeth up ages ago. Chur Whanau, kei te pēhea koe. Hey, Chur Whanau. They're calling it 2.5. Yeah, I heard you gotta like masks is a must on public transport. From what I've seen on the news. Yeah, all good, Fanta. Thanks for reminding me. How many... Hey man, where can we go to purchase commission carvings also? I don't have a place to like purchase any. I just do them pretty much during, but I'm pretty much booked out. My 5 slots are booked, so I do 5 every time. Sorry, brother. Speak Spanish? Nope, I don't. Sorry. Clean this man up. So we can't really whack that till it's dry. Busy man. Tū mahalo. All good, brother. We know you got a pretty full on job, so you're all good. Now that I'm watching. That's the main thing. As long as you're not stressed. Just come and chill. Can talk about carving if you want, or anything. Well, not anything, but you know. Father's Day's coming up for us here in New Zealand. What's all the bros up to? Thanks for the entertainment. Oh, angry hippie. Oh, all good, brother. Hold on, let's do this. Sorry if I'm missing anything. I might try and do like a drawing stream where I draw up these different concepts of masks. Looks like it's Mod Monday. Oh, good evening, boss. Hope you're having a great day. Hello, Wins Lectros. Thank you, brother. For subbing, you didn't have to. Much love, brother. Have I met Lissy? No, I haven't, brother. I haven't met any of the like rappers from Australia. I enjoy his music though, Lissy. Stay golden, pony boy. Thanks for the sub, brother. Interesting name, my bro. Here we go. Just trying to get all these rips off the teeth. Usually it's when the wood's real dry or your chisels are very blunt. Well, it's probably a combination of both. First thing I see, it's study, it's a sign. That's the one. Go and study, brother. Turn the stream off. Good morning from Saudi Arabia. Much love to your stream. Hey, Chur Fiko. Chur, brother. Study harder. Do that assignment. As Lissy would say. Smash that set. Don't ever settle for something you done. Then, like, if it's the best piece you've made, for me, for instance, all the pieces I make, I'm never satisfied. I always keep the mindset of it can be better. Oh no. Yo, Synthor. Thanks for the gifted, brother. You didn't have to. I'm back to working today. It's ugly, eh? You didn't have to do that, brother. Synthor. I don't speak Māori, but te amo mucho mi hermano. Oh, it's all good, brother. I speak English too, but thank you very much, brother. You didn't have to, though. Yeah, man. Oh, he added it as an emote. Hold on, guys. Where is it? Hold on, guys. I just want to look for this. Yeah, how come I can't see it? Oh, it mustn't be for me. It was good to see he added their dog as an emote. Broxh must venture out to hunt a mount known as the legendary Tarago. Track it down and tame it in order to transport your tribe and underlings. Hey, that's a cool emote. How did I miss that? I always have a good laugh when I see that. Is this one of your ancestors? Doku? No, brother. So this is for a tourist company, a tourism company I should say. And we normally don't put ancestors to the carvings, but the story embedded into the wood, brother, is talking about just the different aspects of our canoes. Have you ever considered using digital control machines to experiment new things like milling machines, lasers? Nah. Then it'll have no, what do I say, life essence within it if it's done by a machine. That's just my views on it, brother, if that makes sense. And mainly for me, brother, because I'm big on the I don't have that emote. Yeah, neither do I. And with me, brother, since I follow the traditional ways of carving, I don't really want to use laser machines, if that makes sense. I heard I can make you smile. Damn it. Have you ever thought of selling pieces for viewers? That's what I'm doing, commissions. But it's already full. And I still got to do some for the mods. I think just one will be the hardest. Oh, okotoku. I just can't be bothered, bro. Yeah, that's all it is. Scotty. Scotty too hotty. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, my bro. Do you play any board games? Nah, brother, sorry. Love your work, you're repping NZ proudly. Sure, grunting bears. Yeah, just you got it. How come I can't use it? Maybe I'll check later. Jeez, that dog just brings a smile to my face. If you're wondering where the dog came from, guys, always a good dentist. Thanks, Wolfie. If you're wondering who the dog emote belongs to, it belongs to Thunderpunch. He's done most of my emotes. Yeah, no, I just can't be bothered blowing the chips away, brother. Not today, anyway. Can you please be Korg in the next Thor movie? Did he survive the last Marvel Avengers movie? I can't remember. Hey, plastic chew, brother. 4 months lash goal. Hey, chew, brother. Now you know you didn't have to do that, eh? Chew, brother. Yeah, we just doing up these carvings, brother. Doing some final adjustments on them before I kick them out. Give them away to the owners. Hey, Cammy Ron. Chew, brother. Much love to you too, my bro. It's your happiness. Bro, so again, you didn't make it, sort of make back to life. So once again I played another game of Fall Guys last night and bumped into a opponent with a bloody amazing gaming chair. All kinds of floating on the tile level. Hey, Lost Aboriginal. Cheer, brother. I'm all good. Just carving, brother. How are you? Been sleeping until recently, and missed most of the streams. There's scrambled eggs on in a Broxh stream for brunch. Yeah, all good, brother. You have a good sleep in, brother. Why not, eh? We're all entitled to a sleeping. 50 push-ups and 45 to go. I suck at it, man. I suck at it too, bro. But it's a bloody good laugh, eh? Yeah, I played a little bit of Fortnite last night. Not too much. I see they went full Marvel as well with the Battle Pass. I was like, damn. Now, with it being a Marvel theme, I'm saving up my V-Bucks just in case they release a Black Panther skin. Not really feeling the Thor skin though. He had a good gaming chair. Just got 4 guys when last night ended up with me and the missus. The final 2 wanted to troll and groovy character, but then I would be sleeping on the couch. Yeah, bro, don't do it. Nah, Mrs. Broxh goes, oh, you should sleep on the couch then. He goes, you know I'll love that because my computer's right next to it. She says, stuff off, you're coming to bed. Thor skin, you dirty buggers. Yeah, the Silver Surfer skin's a bit much, eh, bro? They went into detail on the old RC, on that. He's even got the old side dents going on. I was like, bruh, these dudes. Latest design one. Oh, true. I was just playing their store last night and just rolling around. My hair is mighty. Already confirmed to be coming up. Oh, mean. Yep. I'm saving up my V-Bucks for that one. I don't normally like to buy skins, or I only buy ones that I like. But I haven't bought one in a long time since the Polar Patroller came out, the big polar bear. How often do you shop in your shoes? Like once every 2 weeks, brother. So I think we'll be doing one this week. Oh, hold on. I can't this week. The weekend. Maybe Saturday? I don't know yet. Because I may not be in town. I'm hoping Spider-Man or Venom and Carnage. Nice. You mean if they had Michael B. Jordan's version of Eric as well? But yeah, that's the skin I'll be waiting for. I'll buy the skin for you. No, that's okay. I bought the cheap battle pass, and I can just save up all the V-Bucks from that. Easy, easy. Just grind for it. I want blade skin. Can you be my dad? Oh, I have a hard time with one little sprout. I'm about to be a father of 2. The amount of splint? Nah, I don't get splinters, brother. If you do, just rip them out. Easy. Oh, nice, me squids. Here we go. There we go. Thank you, the underscores. Now, did I design? Yes, I did. Damn. It's the bottom jaw. Broxh is everyone's dead. I mean, I don't know, we live in a world where even animated characters give better examples than humans. Like Whitebeard. The baby god, oh, he's out here with the corruption of N'Zoth all over him. Kiwi, there are no good tips on how to get good. The way you get good is just by continuing to do the craft that you do. You can only get good with time. You can't find a tip and boom, I'm good. It all comes down to the amount of time you put into your craft. If you get me. One of the best chats in... Hey, Chur Ace. Okay, hang on. Excel good? GD? I'm so sorry if I said that wrong, brother. Chur Doku, all good, brother. Just drop him whenever you can. Much love, bro. Okay, let's fix up these teeth. Broxh the dentist, sorry. Why is Big Brother Bear spoken? Tell everybody I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. Okay. I'm sick of being in the fairy cave, so let's change the song.
Make your writing clear and concise, no matter where you are. Compose a cover letter that stands out.
Please sit. Why don't you enjoy a cup of calming jasmine tea?
Oh, we got to read. Chur Terry Berenson. Thanks, brother, for the read. Yo, thank you very much, brother. Welcome to you and your community, brother. Kia ora, everyone. Hello. My name is Broxh. I'm a traditional Māori wood carver from New Zealand, otherwise known as Aotearoa. But welcome, guys. Was there a point in learning Toi Whakairo where it sort of just clicked, bro? It's just steady progress over time. Yeah, pretty much, bro. Once you, like when I found my groove, like, once, so there was a piece I finished, it's on my Instagram, it's, that treasure box. Pretty much, when I finished it, brother, I just, yeah, like, looked at my hands and just realised that I was getting better, and so this is something else I looked at too, because I descend from quite a few ancestral carvers within my genealogy. It just made me proud, brother. Oh no. Cake Master. Okay, before we go to you, Mr. Cake Master, thank you to Neo Titan and J151919. Thank you guys for the subs, and then Mr. Cake Master gifting. Cake Master, you didn't have to though, brother. You can just watch for free, brother. It's all good. Use your money on a pie. Or better yet, go and buy you a cake. And if you don't like eating cake, just Stephen Aoki at someone. I'll like it. I'll like the post. Thank you, bro. Don't listen. What? Broxh deserves all the subs. Don't listen to him. Nah, you listen to me, otherwise I'll push finish. Just ending stream. Ali 8 intro. No. Have you ever been to Tahiti or New Caledonia? Z Swoon, I've never been off New Zealand. I've never travelled, ever. At all, brother. Carpenter from Norway, from one guy handling wood to another. Hey, big respect. Oh, thank you, Virtues. Much appreciated, brother. You're a bit of a chippy, bro. I learnt that word in stream. Broxh, come to Los Angeles. Maybe once the world has calmed down, brother. Yeah, like,
If we take it from only one place, it becomes
you know,
unfair.
with the cops and your guys president. Yeah, I don't think it would be a safe idea for myself. One day. Any advice on getting to sleep early? Turn the game off and go to bed early? Turn my stream off and go to bed early? If that's the answer you're looking for. My grandmother carves, and I have seen some of your works and they look amazing. Keep up the good work. Oh, thank you, the Ranger. Cheer, brother. I like to support someone who promotes so much. Oh, thanks, Cake Master. Appreciate it, brother. Now, before I carry on, what kind of cake do you like? I feel like you're a carrot cake kind of man, like myself. Kanakas have amazing carvings too. Z Swoon, if I ever make it there one day, brother, I'll definitely let you know. How will anyone turn the game off? Oh, you just turn it off.
Pride is not the opposite of shame, but it's so. True humility is the only antidote to shame.
Red velvet or cheesecake. Oh, I'm a cheesecake man too. Like, because since it's the B-Day coming up, Mrs. Broxh asked, do you want a cake? Nah, either a cheesecake or a tower of donuts. Carrot cake with lemon ice cream. Oof, I like all cakes, hence the name. Oh, nice. Cheesecake is the superior. Yeah, I'm all about that cheesecake life. It's like when Mrs. Broxh made a caramel one. Oh, that didn't last long. Thank you, Dad. The Beans. Love you too, man. You didn't have to give the bits though. Favourite show? I don't even watch TV, brother. Like I hardly ever do. I've been pretty much watching Twitch. Oh no! Infamous. 10. Yeah. Thank you, brother. Bro, that's too much, eh? Holy cow. Thank you, bro. Holy cow. As long as you can look after yourself, brother. Just remember, you don't have to.
People see me and think I'm weak. They want to take care of me. But I can take care of myself by myself.
You sound like my nephew. Always thinking you need to do things on your own.
Hold on.
Anyone's son. There is nothing wrong with letting people who love you help you.
Yeah, I got Maui. Broxh Maui. What's up, brother? So, out of all the Apex players, does Jibby have his own like artifact weapon? I know, like there's a someone's got a switchblade. Is that Octane? Hey, can I sub? You fuzzy? Nah. You sound like cool. Hey, thank you, Magnum Suck, for the sub, bro. You didn't have to, though, brother. Just remember, you don't have to sub B. Just have a very special and intimate relationship with a hammer, and losing it will be like losing a loved one. Hey. Okay, how's that? That looks good. Don't really need to do much in here anymore. What we're waiting for is this. No, it's still moving, so it's not set. Gunan, love you bro. Much love brother, thanks for subbing. But once again my bro, you didn't have to though. It's all good just to watch brother. But thanks. Much love. Oh. I'm just looking over it now, seeing what we have to do. I might turn it around. So we'll leave this part in the sun. We'll just glue it up a bit more. Posture check it. Look at these guys flexing on us with the Doge emote from Thunder. Got a hijack for the bro twice. Oh. That was twice there, brother. Oh yeah, just checking. Just want to make sure. Yeah. I feel like looking at the sky. No. Just front double bicep. No. Okay, I'm good. Let's go. So we'll fix up the mouth on this side. Just making sure the horse doesn't touch the tripod doesn't touch the horse. Okay. It also works with here. Not the beard! The full kitty king. Cheer, brother. Aloha, I've met The Rock, I've met Echo Man. Need to meet the legend named Broxh. Yeah, I'm not a legend, brother. Cheer the brother Googe. What is your name? My name is... It doesn't matter what your name is. The most electrifying. Listening to a ton of Lab lately. Nice, brother. What's your favourite song? I think he's a Bix for the bits. He didn't have to, though. Much appreciated, though, brother. You're a legend, brother. Oh, I'm just me, brother, but thank you for watching it. Hope you liked it. That was the main one for me, eh? Just hope everyone liked it. Do you ever stain the woodwork? Yeah, brother. But for these ones, bro, they're gonna be painted. Not really a fan of painting, but carvings, but that's what they're gonna do. Did Red Bull give you some of the new flavors to try? No. I just they asked. I just said, oh no, I'll just have some zeros, some 0 ones. That's all good. And yeah, that was it. So do you prefer oiling them? And staining. Just depends what I have at the time. Like you can use shellac or any other spray. Hitman Heart. Yo, break the Hitman Heart, eh? Watermelon Red Bull. I don't think New Zealand has that, eh? Yo, Brett the Hitman Hart, thank you very much for that, brother. You didn't have to, though. Does streaming slowing down at all? Yeah, but it doesn't bother me. I'd carve on stream to share. And I'm not going anywhere. The only time I stop carving is when I have to go and pick my baby up from school. Have you ever carved into weapons? Adept. If you look through the VODs, brother, I was carving a taiaha, which is a weapon, but unfortunately, so I use an IRL stream pack to stream, brother, and unfortunately it went down as I was doing it, so I had to finish it off stream just to, so I could make it to whoever's birthday it was. Do you do bone carving? Nah, brother, I've done it, but I prefer whakairo, the wood carving. That's where my heart is. What time is it there? It is almost 1:30, brother. Yes, boy, Spencer Dubs. Thanks for the sub, brother. You didn't have to, though. It's all good just to watch. What's your zodiac sign? So, Virgo and Libra. Oh, cusp, baby. But I don't know if it's going to change with this new one being introduced, or new ones, whatever they are. Why are they introducing them? I do not know. Have you ever carved stone or pebbles? Nah, brother. It's 1:30 here. 3:30 PM here. Must be a day ahead of Hawaii. Yeah, I think so, brother. So it's like, what, the 30th, 31st of August here? I don't know if we're in the same date. Could be. I want to get Mahalo to teach me his native tongue of the Hawaiian language. I'll be keen to learn a new language. Sorry about the squeaky. He prefers the bone carving. I think it's more, he's in the 70s now. Oh, fair enough. Norco. Yeah. Must be a bloody good artist though. Very few letters used. Yeah, I know kupuna is, I hope I said that right. Kupuna is like your grandparents. Like we say kaumatua. And you obviously mahalo, which is thank you. But yeah, I think that's another language I would love to learn. Oops, sorry guys. There we go. T in place of K. So kupuna would be tupuna. Yeah, more similar to Tahiti. So one of the tribes I'm from, brother, here in Rotorua, we say tupuna as well. So yeah, we use the T, but another tribe I'm from, we say T-puna, so T-I instead of T-U. That's pretty cool to know. Yeah, I'd love to visit the islands as well one day. See where my ancestors navigated to. Just wetting it so the squeaking's not too hard on the ears. Oh, it's because it's dry. And I don't want to let the squeaking ruin your guys' ears too much. Just better than wasting my linseed. Even though it's not doing anything. Hydrate. Here we go. Ela maela, ikila wea, mala mala mahi wahi kahu. The squeak is fine. Oh, okay then. I'll just carry on. Cheers to the bro for the hydrate. How did the tire go? Good. So the people that received it, they loved it. And that's the thing I hope for the most. Is that the person that's receiving it loves what they're getting, they're paying for. So I think they handed it, did the handover for the birthday on the weekend just gone. They were going to send me a video sometime. So let's see how it goes. Could make a marae with that art. Where are you in Puriru Wellington? I'm in Rotorua, brother. Man, if I ever done a wharenui, it'll take me a few years. I'd have to get a team, eh? But I guess that's the ultimate goal for any carver. And what would make it even better is carving their own ancestor. Well, for me, yeah, it would be doing an ancestral meeting house to an ancestor that I tie through my genealogy. That would be the one that would make it all, like all the grinding. That'll be probably my proudest moment if I ever got to carve an ancestral meeting house. I mean, even if it's not my own ancestor, it would still be an honour and a damn privilege to do. Am I ready for one? Nah. But if it ever came to that point, I won't say no. Be an experience of a lifetime, I would say. Can you help me with algebra? Brother, I didn't do any maths at school, I didn't care for it. Sorry. Okay, sorry brother. Asking the wrong man, my dude. Jalito, yo, thank you very much for the bits, brother. You didn't have to. And elementary. Hey, much love, brothers. What kind of work would be considered sacred? Anything like if you're carving an ancestor, or you're replicating older carvings. Could even come down to like doing a memorial piece, like for a big, like the land wars we had here that people don't like to mention. Anything to do with like pivotal events, I would consider like sacred. Anyone know the answer? I think the way homework works is if you figure it out yourself. and it's still fresh in your brain for tomorrow when you go back to school, or if you're in school already, off you go. You ever been to the South Island? Nah, brother. Yeah, I know it's beautiful down there. Views on views, brother. Chur cans 3x, Chur, brother. Do you know any Arabic? Nah, brother, I don't. Okay, pushing is not getting anywhere. Well, it is, but it's annoying. What's your favourite drink? Water, tea. Yeah, Red Bull Zero. How do you recover from mistakes? We don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. In the words of Bob Broxh, just happy little accidents, brother. You incorporate it into your piece, I would say. And the only one that will notice it is you. It's a bit different with carvings because other carvers will see it, but the people that don't follow the art won't. That's just from experience.
Is it your own destiny, or is it a destiny someone else has tried to force on you?
I think it's something all carvers live by. Yeah, don't worry about it, bro. Just carry on, really. That's what I do anyway. Like, I did a mistake on this one because there's a twin to it just behind the camera. So the mistake I did, this one has 4 teeth, the other one has 5. This one, meh. They get the idea. He had teeth. And either way, they still appreciate it, like mistakes and all. Thriller Instinct, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. Jeez, let me scroll down. What do you think the stream title should be today? Monday. Oh my. Or Thunder's dog emote. Chicken or beef? Why not both? Bro, why does it like bring up a name when I'm just trying to scroll up? Jeez, that's annoying. There we go, it's fixed. Boil up or hangi? Well, if there's too many hangis, I'm gonna say boil up because we hardly ever have it. Twitch app is doo-doo. And doo-doo, man. Come here, boy! Give me those toes, boy! Okay, I think this eye is all good. What's your favourite lift? Probably deadlift. Do you use any sandpaper or do you just carve it smooth? Just carve it smooth, brother. Yeah, we never use sandpaper on any types of carvings like this. Mainly for like Thunder's emote stream. Mainly for like weapons and stuff, brother. We would like use sandpaper and all that. Yeah, I miss Daquan too. Hopefully he comes back when he's ready. I always enjoyed his streams because he's funny. Okay, there's our bevel line. Oh no. Thriller Instinct gifting subs. Thank you, brother. You didn't have to though. Who's this anonymous person? Yo, anonymous secret squirrel. Thank you very much, brother, whoever you are. Is there an address to send you fan mail? I don't have a PO box, brother. Sorry. Yeah, I want to spam that emote. Where's my dog? Yeah, I don't have it. Daquan and Hammers were two of the most entertaining streamers. Yeah, bro. I really enjoyed them. Just how they are. Bit of the side of fams. Let's go. That face, yeah, wolf. Are you gonna get a PO box soon? I don't know. I just want people to like use their money on themselves. I just submitted that emote while I was in chat too. Yeah, come on now, Twitch holdouts, give me that dog emote. I only got those two. Dundee, he's on that fast he's on that fast pass with his emotes. I just got mine too. Oh, I might just refresh chat so I can see if I got my Doge emote. Hold on, chat. Oh, there he is. Thundoge. Yeah, come on. Twitch pulling my feels. Do you ever get splinters? Nah, man. Since I want like personal emotes of you guys, like that I'm gonna try and make, we should make yours like a dog like that with a mod sword. Okay, come on, Bevel. Boom. There we go. Where's my pencil? What's your favourite type of wood to carve? Any manner of native timber, but I think my favourite ones would have to be like really nice quality timber, but also ones with a lot of knots for like a challenge, eh? No matter how ugly a piece of wood is, I would say that as a carver you can probably bring out the full beauty of it, no matter how ugly a piece of wood is. Willie Bob, thank you for the bit, brother. You didn't have to, but thank you, man. Ooh. Squeaky, squeaky. Okay, what I'm going to do is drop it down a bit more. Because you need the power shell to sit quite nicely. Yeah, like any manner of native timber, doesn't really matter whether it's good quality or knotty. How do you find pretty when carving? Tree. You go out and look for it, I guess, brother. On tū hoi and tū whare toa. Oh, Chur Kazi. Okay, just coming from a different angle, just to get around. There we go. Much better. What is the hammer like tool you're using? Oh, this is just a mallet that I made myself when I was a student. You have 3 different sizes. So this one's usually used for like medium moulding, so you wouldn't go really hard out in designing. Yo, kahununu he. Hey, tēnā koe, bro. What made you start streaming? Oh, it looked fun. My cousin Squid, I was watching one of his streams how he was entertaining everyone and having a bloody good time, and looked like fun. I was streaming games here and there, pixelated as. That's why I stopped doing it. Then I had a go at a carving stream. Fanta was there and a couple of bots. That was hard because I was getting shy. And then, hey, what happened? Oh, nothing. You play well, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, brother. What did I do with my pencil? Somex Tape and Ben McRum and Chabanaut and Sombrero. Thank you guys for subbing. You didn't have to though. It's all good just to watch for free, especially with what's going on around the world. But thank you guys. Okay, there we go. Just fixing that little bit up. The eye will sit nice and snug in there. That's that little fixer-upper.
See, Francisco, a moment of quiet is good for your mental well-being.
It looks beautiful. Hey, thanks, Silence. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Yeah, it's looking alright. Max, thank you for the sub, brother. You didn't have to. It's all good just to watch, my man. But much appreciated, brother. You're so talented. Like hell. Oh, I wouldn't say that. I mean, the only way to get better at things is to constantly do it, eh? Just keep grinding. Just like Eddie Hall. How he trained up to doing his 500 kg deadlift. Constantly training just to better himself. And then eventually he got the big 500 and put himself in the history books. I would say that, yeah, that feat of strength there is probably one of my favourite in human history. Falconia Maxima, thank you for the sub, brother. Didn't have to, my bro. It's all good just to watch. Oh, the wood's quite dry here. Posture check from Fid. Hold on guys, just point our camera up. Oh no, who's this? Anonymous, you're hiding your real name from me. It's bad. Okay. Oh. Cheers for that, brother. Hey bro, what's up? Hey Riz cheers. Cheers, brother. Nice weather. Yeah, it's all good, eh? Nice weather, not bad. Good size. Okay, I think it's time to change up the mood soon. Some lab. Any tips for wood carvers? Keep doing what you're doing. Trust the process. Whatever form of wood carving you're doing. King Carter? Nah, I'll probably never cut my hair, brother. Ever. No, I haven't been trying to sculpt the beard. Just let the damn thing grow. Okay, how are you looking, Chief? Okay. Rockets are launching from... Oh, are they? Oh. The only rocket ship I care about is Lab Song. Yeah. Meh. Okay, we need to bevel this tooth too. The big one. From the mighty Queensland, the painting bear. Hey, cheer my brother, thank you for that. Up the bloody maroons, my brother. Fellow Kiwi on Twitch. Hey Melon. Much love from Australia. Hey, cheer Dex Deuce. Cheer my brother. Quick lad, it all depends on what you're doing, brother. If it's wood carving, look for some chisels that may help you or be good for whatever type of wood carving you're doing. That always helps. Chubbanout, oh damn, don't die on me hunt. Yeah, they need to hype train. You and your corgi horde. Oh, is that a corgi? I actually don't know what their dog is. I'm sure it is. What do you do with the wood chips? Bury them. Just bury them, brother. That's what I do. I don't use them for fires because you're not really supposed to. Especially with this art form. There's been a case where like a carver has used like wood chips from this particular art form and they passed away. So with this particular art form, brother, when we do pieces, it's usually people that have passed on. We don't carve any living person. Okay, but I'm off to bed. I've got work in the morning. Cheers, JT. You have a good sleep, brother. Much love, my bro. Thank you for dropping in. And Thriller Instinct again. Jesus. That's enough, you guys. Just come and watch. And the Demented one. There we go. So we'll bevel this tongue now. So the grain will be going that way, so we come back this way. Simple read. Kia ora from Victoria, Australia, brother. Wairē mana. Kia ora. Hope you're safe over there with what's going on in or sis, if you're a girl. Hopefully you're safe with what's going on in Melbourne. Stay inside. The Master Pog. Hey, Bukuri. I'm not the master, brother. But thank you, my bro. Once again, brother, you didn't have to, though. It's all good just to watch. Oh, never mind the hype train. Thank you, Falconia Maxima. You didn't have to though, brother. No need to worry about any hype train, guys. Just come and watch. All good. I missed 3 days ago and you're this far along. No, this is just a piece that I've always had, so the people that have finally asked for it back, they asked for it back, so I'm just doing a few little adjustments on it before I part ways with this piece and the other one. Making sure it's in a good state. Doing a few little touch-ups here and there. There we go. Yo, Freya, woohoo! Thank you for the 3 months in a row, man. You didn't have to. Oh, bloody hype train. How does a bench usually cost? How much? We usually build our own carving benches, brother. There are ones you can buy, but it's better if you just build your own. Oh, bloody hype train. You didn't have to do that. I don't even know what that does, but yeah, you didn't have to, because I know it involves subs and all that, and bits. How did you get started on the carving? With a piece of paper and a pencil first?